Hi, I'm Pierce Jens with Baratza. Today I'm here with our new product, the Sette 270, and I'm going to take you through unboxing the machine and setting it up for the first use. Open up the clamshell box. This is the quick start guide. We'll go ahead and put that to the side for now. First, I'm going to remove the grinder. There's a silica packet included with the burrs to keep them from rusting. Let's go ahead and discard that. Next, we'll get the twist tie off the cord. Remove the bag from the grounds bin. And unpack the hopper and grounds catcher as well. After we get the box out of the way, we'll go ahead and put the hopper on top of the machine first. When installing the hopper, we point the on-off valve key towards the rear of the machine, set the hopper into place, and then lock it clockwise into position. The key should be pointing directly towards the rear of the machine. Next, we'll set the grounds catcher into position, hang the grounds bin off the forks, and go ahead and plug the cord into the back of the machine, and then we'll plug the cord into the wall and boot the grinder up. The Sette has 3 factory presets of 20, 30, and 10 seconds. Use the arrow buttons to adjust your grind time. To save a custom grind time, press and hold a preset button until the display flashes. Press the play/pause button to begin grinding. This button will also pause your current grind and allow you to resume it. The stop button clears out the remaining grind time entirely. Grind adjustments should always be made while the grinder is running. To adjust your grind size, use the clicking macro and stepless micro adjustment rings. To remove the burr for cleaning, rotate the macro adjustment towards the coarse setting until the assembly drops free from the grinder. Now that we have the burr and adjustment assembly removed, we can go ahead and reinstall it. The black cone burr cylinder has ridges on the outside that fit into slots in the grinder. The first step in reinstalling is to rotate the black plastic cylinder and press up gently until the assembly slides up into the grinder. Once flush, align the blue dot with the blue arrow and rotate the blue dot towards the rear of the grinder. The Sette will only run when the adjustment system is locked into place, with the macro adjustment knob set between settings 1 and 31. The Sette is versatile in that you can hang many brewing devices directly onto the forks. To convert the forks to hold a portafilter, gently press down on the rear hook and pivot it into the center. Press the right arm into the rear of the grinder and rotate to adjust the position of the forks. Now we can hang our portafilter on the machine. For brewing methods like Hario and Kalita, we recommend starting at a grind setting of 15. And we recommend a grind setting of 5 as a starting position for espresso. Take care not to overfill the bin, as this will result in clogging of the grinder. We here at Baratza hope that you enjoy the new, beautifully crafted, and incredibly fast Sette 270 coffee grinder.